Hey, namaste. I am Kay. This is Ecstatic Self. So, one of the things I wanted to recommend and talk about is how you need to take time for yourself. So, I've been reflecting on my own experience, and for the last 3 months ish, almost 4 months, I have basically worked every day. And I know that my husband more or less falls in the same category, like he doesn't take a day off, really, like he's still doing work. And like I understand, for me, I've been releasing a book, writing and releasing a book, collaborating with designers and editors and proofreaders. I started my own business doing life coaching, ecstaticself.com. I've started a YouTube channel where I post a video every morning at 9 a.m., which takes a lot of effort to get all that done and have that level of consistency. But there hasn't been really a day where I've just haven't done anything. I haven't met with a client. I haven't worked on a book. I haven't done something. I'm always engaged. And I effing need it. So I'm actually, as this video posts, I'm actually in the middle of a little 5-day sabbatical where I'm taking off after my last client Sunday afternoon until my mother comes to visit us Thursday evening. And I am reading, I am napping, I'm pooping a lot. I'm going to play with our new kitten. I'm going to work out and go for walks and cook and eat and daydream, do mantra, meditate, do yoga, and do more reading because that's one of my greatest joys and I don't give myself enough time to do that. I'm going to take time for myself. I know this seems like basic knowledge, but how many of us really struggle to disconnect? One of my favorite couples in the world is this beautiful, beautiful couple who live in Chicago that run a large arts organization. One of them recently had a series of heart attacks, and he's only in his late 40s. And the doctor had been warning him, he's like, you need to stop working. Like, you need to calm down a little bit. And they'd go on vacation, and he'd still have his laptop and still be replying to emails, even in the middle of vacation. And I know that on the surface sounds ridiculous, but don't we all kind of do that? Especially we have our devices with us at all times. Like, when's the last time you left the house and just left your phone behind? When's the last time where you said, I'm not going to pick up any screens today? And maybe you're somebody who does that regularly. Like, I have a friend in our building who I adore who does not look at her phone before 7 p.m. and doesn't look at it again after 6 p.m. and on Sundays doesn't look at it at all. And only has Netflix for 1 month a year. And I love that. I love that she's that deliberate. But for many of us, it's so hard to turn off. So as this video posts, I will be napping probably, or reading a favorite fantasy book. I'm restarting the Wheel of Time series. Maybe reading something else. Do the same for yourself. Give yourself some true downtime where you're not going to reply to emails, you're not going to take phone calls, you're not going to text, you're not going to update that one thing, and do the things you love. Because we need balance. We need it. And moving forward, I need to be better about giving myself deliberate time. So it's not just 5 days at the end of 4 months, but I give myself regular downtime. And if you're like me and you're always doing and you're always creating and you're always working on the next thing, and especially if you love what you do, right? Like, I love what I do. I love getting to post these videos and interact with you all. And I love my coaching clients and I love creating and making art. So it's hard. It's hard to step away. But it's necessary for our well-being. So when are you taking your day off? Write it in the comments below. I want to know, when are you actually taking your day off? And let me know. Other thing I want you to tell me in the comments below if this interests you. I'm thinking about starting a weekly or maybe even bi-monthly meditation class here on YouTube. We could do a live streaming. Is that something that would interest you? If so, again, please leave a comment or shoot me an email. Would love to know if that's useful. I'm thinking maybe Friday afternoons. But yeah, anyhow, I'm Kay. This is Ecstatic Self. Please check out my book, Journey to the Ecstatic Self, available online in ebook and hardcover for pre-order, and then paperback and audiobook once it launches in November. And share this with some workaholic who you think needs to hear this message. See you soon. Namaste.